Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making beef sausage fried rice. We're gonna use Johnsonville beef sausage, and we're going to be using half of this. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the side. The first thing what we're gonna do is grab the rice cooker. I would suggest getting a stainless steel rice cooker just so that you don't get Teflon in your food. To prevent the rice from sticking, we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. That should be good enough. There we go. We're gonna leave it here for now, and we're gonna close it up. And we're gonna wash some of the rice. We have a bowl here, and we're just gonna dump some rice in here. There we go. Now we're gonna wash it real quick. Okay, we're gonna turn on the water and start washing the rice. Wash it a couple times. Okay, it's pretty much clear. Now we're gonna start cooking the rice. We're gonna add the rice to the rice cooker. We're gonna spread them out, spread the rice out, and we're gonna add some water. Okay, when cooking white rice, you want to make sure that you have 1/4 of an inch of water, or maybe just a little bit more is fine. And the white rice will come out perfect every time. Okay, let's start cooking. We'll put the cap on and push down on cook. And we'll be back when the rice is done. Okay, the white rice is ready. As you can see, it's perfectly cooked. As you can see, the rice is coming off real good, especially when we sprayed the olive oil into the pan. As you can see, most of it is coming off like that. That's a little trick I learned, and you should give it a try. We're gonna need around 2 cups, and we have here around 2 cups of rice. We're just gonna put it right here, and for the leftover rice, we're gonna use it for some other time. We're also gonna need a cup of mixed vegetables. Okay, there you go, cup. We're gonna put it on the side. Okay, now that we have the mixed vegetables and the rice ready, we're gonna start slicing up the beef sausage. We're gonna need half, so we're just gonna cut in the center. There we go. And we're gonna save the other half for another day. Okay, let's take it out. Start slicing it up. There we go. Should look something like this. Now let's start cooking. Okay, we have the pan ready. Now we're going to turn on the heat. I'm going to let it heat up first. Okay, the pan is hot. Now we're going to add some olive oil. Spread the olive oil out. And next we're going to add the beef sausage. We're going to try to brown it up a little bit. Smells really good. Okay, it's nicely browned up, and now we're gonna add the frozen vegetables, around a cup. Okay, looking good. We're gonna push everything to the side, and now we're gonna add 2 eggs. 1, number 2. Okay, looking good. The egg is nicely cooked up, and now the last thing we're going to add is the 2 cups of white rice. Okay, now that we have everything nicely stirred together, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go, that's 1. Soy sauce. There you go. And 1 tablespoon of pure sesame seed oil, or just sesame seed oil. There you go. And then stir everything all together. Make sure everything is nicely stirred. And we are done. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is what we have today, beef sausage fried rice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Oh boy, smells really good. Grab a little bit of that beef too. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.